Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2018 Honda Civic EXL. This model does come equipped with fog lights as well as LED daytime running lights. This is in the Cosmic Blue Metallic paint. This vehicle does come equipped with power leather seats. You'll have steering wheel controls to answer your phone calls. You'll also be able to connect up your smartphone through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music in. You'll have dual climate control, heated seats, brake hold, electronic parking brake, and an Econ mode. You'll also have a USB port and power port. The center console lifts open with sliding trays for a deeper compartment, as well as an additional USB port. The vehicle also, when you put the right turn signal on, has a camera that looks down the right side of the vehicle. You have a backup camera with 3 different views. All-weather floor mats in the back. A capless fuel filler. All-weather cargo tray. Spare tire and toolkit. This is the 2018 Honda Civic EXL.